Hi, I'm Becky Streepy from Glue and Glitter, and today we're making creamy, crunchy, air fryer avocado fries. Y'all, it is so easy to make avocado fries in your air fryer. They're creamy on the inside, crunchy on the outside, and perfect with your favorite dipping sauce. Start by peeling and slicing your avocado. Then grab yourself 2 shallow bowls. In the first bowl, you're going to mix panko with lots of spices. And in the second bowl, you're going to put half a cup of aquafaba. Don't panic, aquafaba is nothing fancy, it's just the liquid from canned beans. As you can see in this video, I'm using black bean aquafaba, but you can also use chickpea or white bean. Any liquid from any can of beans will work, and what it does in this recipe is it replaces egg and helps the panko stick to the outside of the avocado slices. Grab a slice and coat it in the bean liquid, then transfer it to the bowl of panko and coat it in that seasoned panko too. What I like to do is pat the slices so the panko adheres really well. Transfer those all to your air fryer basket in a single layer and air fry until they're golden brown. Once those slices are nice and golden, you are ready to serve. As you can see, I'm serving these up with sriracha mayo, but you can use pretty much any dipping sauce you like. If sriracha mayo isn't your thing, try serving these with a vegan ranch or even a sweet chili sauce is lovely. I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make avocado fries in your air fryer. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!